Hi, welcome to Yami's Kitchen. Magandang umaga sa lahat. May buntag sa tanan. Good morning, everyone. Buenos dias a todos. Today, I'll be making Spanish comida called Callos de Madrid, or in Tagalog, Callos, or you can say Callos, however you say it. The main ingredients are Callos or beef tripe, Spanish Chorizo, garbanzos or chickpea, leek, tomato, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, onion, garlic, thyme, paprika, cayenne pepper, saffron, butter, oregano, olive oil, and tomato paste, which is not here. I'll put everything on YouTube. Please watch the YouTube version of this video for the complete ingredients and instruction. Actually, in Spain, they also added black pudding. It's made of pork blood sausage. I don't have it right now, but next time I'll make it. I'm slicing this ginger to be added on the callos while it's boiling, and this is to help to remove the smell of the tripe. I also added a bay leaf, 3 bay leaf, then the tripe, and salt, then cover the pressure cooker and boil for 30 minutes. While tripe is boiling, I'll prepare the rest of the ingredients. Okay, let's start cooking. So in a pot, heat the oil and butter until the butter completely melted. Then saute the garlic, the onion until it looks translucent. Then the tomato and chorizo, and cook it a little longer until the tomato becomes pasty, because I don't use tomato sauce, it's only tomato paste. Then leek, saffron, thyme, oregano, paprika, cayenne pepper, white pepper, at this time the tripe is already cooked, so I'll take that out from the pot and reserve the water for the soup. Only a few of this that I'm gonna use because it's salty, and then just normal water. Okay, let's start slicing the tripe in any form or size. Basta dali ra siya maton. It's easy for you to chew. So whatever form in your liking. I added red wine and some black pepper. Now I already added the tripe water and some water and the bouillon, red and green bell peppers, and tomato paste. Give it a stir for 3 to 5 minutes. Ukayon jud nimo, ukayon. Unsa gani Tagalog sa ukayon? Just comment so that I know. Kay bisdak ayo kong dako. And bring to simmer, or bring the heat to low. Lastly, add the tripe. I added it last because it's already soft and tender, so it doesn't need longer cooking. Then stir again and taste it. Now it's ready to serve. So atong patilawan ni sa usa ka tawo diri, ug unsa iyang ikasulti. Sir, unsa may ikasulti ani sir?
Is
Di ba pare sa ganon?
it's on. Try. Yeah.
Hindi makita yung mga eh. Nga, pagda.
Perfecto. Muy bueno, muy bueno.
Muy rico. Nga, thank you. Nga, please subscribe. Thank you
Thank
for
you.
watching. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.
Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe, share, and like.
Please
and share.
subscribe, watch, share, like, super like. Thank you.
Press the notification button
Press the notification button.
to get
Ding,
an
ding.
update of what video we are upload.
Click on that notification button so you get an update for new videos, new stuff, new cooking. Enjoy cooking. Let's eat.
Ciao.
Ciao.